Welcome to the best picks. The best Clopay Bottom Seal is probably one of the most overlooked components of your garage door, but it plays a vital role. It acts as a barrier, preventing water, dirt, and pests from entering your garage, while also providing some insulation. In this video, we'll dive into the Clopay Garage Door Bottom Seal, exploring its features, benefits, and why it's a smart choice for your home. Number 5. Clopay 18-foot Garage Door Rubber Bottom Weather Seal. This bottom seal is specifically designed for Clopay garage doors. It's crucial to check your door's features before purchase. If your door isn't Clopay or lacks a single slot retainer, this seal won't fit. The seal is crafted for Clopay garage doors, featuring a single channel design. It's 4 inches wide and made from robust, black vinyl. This material ensures the seal's effectiveness in various weather conditions. These seals are constructed from flat vinyl. They are designed to fold in half for optimal performance and sealing capabilities. Installing this Clopay Garage Door Bottom Rubber Weather Seal is straightforward. It provides a tight seal to protect your garage. This seal effectively keeps out water, dirt, insects, and pests. It creates a barrier to maintain a clean and protected garage environment. What we like. This seal is made of durable vinyl, ensuring it can withstand harsh weather conditions. It's designed to keep water, dirt, and pests out of your garage. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-install seal to protect your garage from the elements, then this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Fit my 1965 9-feet Clopay door perfectly. The material is perfect match to original. My door came with detachable track, so it took 15 minutes for each door from AZ. Number 4. Clopay T-End Bottom Rubber Seal, 412x 20 foot. This is a Clopay T-End Bottom Rubber Seal. It's designed to seal the bottom of your garage door, keeping out the elements. This seal is a direct factory product, ensuring quality and a perfect fit. Unlike aftermarket seals, this one comes directly from the factory. This means it's made to the exact specifications of your garage door, guaranteeing optimal performance and durability. The seal measures 412 inches wide and 20 feet long. It's the perfect size to replace your old, worn-out seal. It will provide a tight seal to protect your garage. It features 5/16 T-ends for easy installation. Simply slide it into the track on your garage door. It's a quick and effective way to improve your garage door seal. Installing this seal is simple and straightforward. You can easily replace your old seal with this one. It will help to keep your garage clean and dry. What we like. This is a factory direct seal, guaranteeing its quality and authenticity. It features 5/16 T-ends for a secure fit. If you want a genuine, high-quality seal for your garage door, then consider this one. What people say. The seal installed easily. The new seal is much better than the original. The seal fit perfectly. Number 3. Clopay Garage Door Weather Seal Replacement. This is a replacement seal for 20-foot Clopay garage doors. It's designed for single-slot doors only, so please check your door type before purchasing. This product ensures a tight seal, keeping your garage protected. Made from high-quality rubber, this seal is built to last. It's wear-resistant and provides excellent sealing, offering insulation and protection against the elements. This will keep your garage clean and dry. The installation is straightforward and can be done by 2 people. Simply guide the seal into the track while pulling it along. This makes the process quick and easy, saving you time and effort. Before you buy, make sure this seal matches your existing one. It's specifically designed for single-slot Clopay doors. If your door has a double channel, this product won't fit. The seal is slightly longer than the listed dimensions, allowing for a custom fit. You can easily trim the excess length to perfectly match your garage door. What we like. This seal is easy to install, with a design that simplifies the process. It's made of sturdy, high-quality rubber, ensuring a long lifespan. If you value a straightforward installation and long-lasting protection against the elements, then this is a great option. What people say. Exact fit seals as it should. This was easy to connect to our garage doors and really helps keep the cold out. Great product. It was exactly the correct part for a single slot garage door seal, and we only had to trim a few inches off one end for length. Number 2. Clopay 9-foot Garage Door Bottom Seal. This is the Clopay Garage Door Bottom Seal. It's designed to seal the bottom of your garage door, keeping out the elements. This seal is made of durable black vinyl. This seal is designed to fit most single-car garage doors. It's a great way to improve the insulation and protection of your garage. It's easy to install and provides a tight seal. This bottom seal is specifically designed to fit most Clopay retainers. It ensures a secure and effective seal. It will help to keep your garage clean and dry. When laid flat, this seal measures 4 inches wide. This width provides excellent coverage and sealing capabilities. It's a reliable solution for your garage door needs. Made from durable black vinyl, this seal is built to last. It can withstand various weather conditions and resist wear and tear. It's a long-lasting solution for your garage. What we like. This seal is specifically designed to fit most single-car garage doors. It's made of durable black vinyl and is designed to fit most Clopay retainers. If you have a single-car garage and need a reliable seal, then this is an excellent choice. What people say. This one is flexible and seems durable, time will tell. The insert was an excellent fit and slid in easily, so a 5-star rating is appropriate from me. Well-made seal fit perfectly. Number 1. Clopay 334 Wide T-Style Garage Door Seal. Is your garage door letting in the elements? This T-Style weather seal from Clopay is the perfect solution. It's designed to keep your garage protected. Made from durable black vinyl, this seal is built to last. It can withstand harsh weather conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance and protection. This weather seal provides an OEM fit for your garage door. It's designed to seamlessly replace your existing seal, offering a perfect fit and easy installation. With a 334 wide design, it effectively blocks out drafts, moisture, and pests. This helps to maintain a comfortable temperature inside your garage. Installing this weather seal is a breeze. Simply remove your old seal and slide this one into place. It's a quick and easy upgrade for your garage door. This weather seal comes in an 8-foot length, suitable for most standard garage doors. It provides complete coverage and protection for your garage. What we like. This seal is made of durable black vinyl, ensuring it can withstand wear and tear. It offers an OEM fit, guaranteeing compatibility with your garage door. If you are looking for a reliable, high-quality seal with a perfect fit, then this is the one for you. What people say. This is pretty much an OEM replacement. I installed it in about 10 minutes by myself, including removal of the old seal, cleaning the door channels, spraying the channels and new seal with silicone, and threading the new seal into the channels. Placing it into the channels and pulling it along the length of the door was very easy. This garage door bottom weather seal fit exactly like the original. It was easily installed. The seal was shipped long, thick length, so after installation a few inches stuck out one end, thereby allowing user to trim off excess for a perfect fit. This is much wider than my old worn-out OEM seal. However, it is so flexible that it will completely compress, ensuring that the bottom of the garage door is completely sealed when shut and does not cause the need to readjust the downward force on the garage opener. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.